Our premium carpet cleaning products are what are known as micro-separating and encapsulation polymer products. This is just really a fancy term for eco-friendly, biodegradable, natural plant extract, free of detergents, enzymes and butyls. These biodegradable micro-separators are derived from food-grade salts. Now, to be defined as food-grade, materials need to be non-toxic and safe for human consumption, which is great. Now, polymers sounds complicated, but they are just simply materials made of long repeating chains of molecules. Polymers can be natural, like wool, silk, even DNA is a polymer, or synthetic polymers such as nylon or Teflon. Our premium cleaner works by breaking down molecular chains, by separating the dirt particles into smaller parts, thus breaking the bond between the dirt and the fibre. The soils can't stick to the carpet fibres anymore, and they're therefore easier to remove. So what this means for our clients is that it's extremely effective, fast drying, safe, and it will not attract soils that can cause a carpet to get dirty again quickly. It also contains a unique wetting agent which helps to penetrate these carpet fibres so that the molecules can attach to the soil but not the fibres. This again makes removing the soil a lot more effective. With soil and residues locked in, the water content is then free to evaporate quickly because there are no detergent residues trying to hold on to the water molecules. Basically, this just means that you get a better result, a better clean, and much faster drying. The protective polymers also help to prevent re-adhesion so that the soils can't stick to the carpets again, and it leaves your carpets with a level of stain and soil resistance. Now, you won't even notice this during the cleaning, although it does often happen that our clients go, "Wow, that's amazing," when they see us start the cleaning.
Wow!
Even if you don't notice it as we're cleaning, the important thing is that this action is taking place at a microscopic level, and it's doing all its good work as soon as we begin cleaning your carpets. In the end, you'll get a cleaner, brighter, fresher carpet that dries faster and stays cleaner for longer. What's not to like about that? Now, here's what it can't do. This is a truly amazing carpet cleaning product developed in the UK about 10-15 years ago. But there are some things it can't do. It's not magic. As with any carpet cleaning situation, some things need special treatments to get the best results. And some things just don't come out. And even the most miraculous products can't turn worn out carpet into like new carpet. But all things considered though, premium carpet cleaner is as good as it gets right now. I hope we can help you get carpets you'll love to look at. So if you're looking at getting your carpets cleaned, just give us a call and we'll have a chat. I hope this has helped.